Assalamu alaikum, hope all are doing good. So today's our topic is going to be noise pollution and its affections on our environment. We enjoy the programs on radios or televisions by hearing sounds of different qualities. In musical programs, we hear sound produced by musical instruments as well as such as flute, harmonium, violin, drum, etc. Some of these instruments has pleasant effect on our ears as well as such sounds which are pleasant to our ears are called musical sound. However, some sounds produce unpleasant effects on our ears, such as sound of machinery, slamming of a door, and sounds of traffic in big cities as well as sound which has jarring and unpleasant effect on our ears is called noise. Noise corresponds to irregular and sudden vibrations produced by some sounds as well as noise pollution has become a major issue of concern in big cities. Noise is an undesirable sound that is harmful for our health. Transportation equipment and heavy machinery are the main sources of noise pollution. For example, noise pollution of machinery in industrial areas, loud vehicles, horns, hooters, and alarms. Noise has negative effects on human health as it can cause conditions such as hearing loss as well as in them. Noise has negative effects on human health. It can cause conditions such as hearing loss, sleep disturbances, aggressions, hypertension, high stress levels. Noise can also cause accidents by interfering with communications and warning signals as well as in them. A safe level of noise depends on two factors: the level of the noise and the period of exposure to the noise. The level of noise recommended in most countries is usually 85 to 90 dB over an 8-hour workday. Noise pollution can be reduced to acceptable level by replacing the noisy machinery with environment friendly as well as. So machinery and equipments putting sound are reducing barriers or using hearing protection devices as well as in them. Simply we can state it that. So taking acknowledgements of all of these things, we know that these are the things by which we get the acknowledgements of them. By taking the measures of them, the technique or method that is used to observe undesirable sounds by soft and porous surfaces is called acoustic protections. Reflection of sound is more prominent if the surface is rigid and smooth, and less than if the surface is soft and irregular soft as well as. So porous materials such as draperies and rugs absorb both large amount of sound energy and avoid echoes and softening noises. Thus, by using such material in noisy places also in them, we can reduce the level of noise pollution. However, if the surface of classrooms or public halls are too observant, the sound levels may be low for the audiences as well as in them. Sometimes when sound reflects from the wall, ceiling and roof of a floor of the room, it's garbage. This is due to multiple reflections called reverberations in them. In the design of lectures hall, auditorium or theatre hall, a balance must be achieved between reverberations and absorptions in them. It is often advantageous to place reflective surfaces behind the stage to direct sound to the audiences as well as in them, by which they get the acknowledgements of them, what are they doing as well as in them. So generally the ceilings of lectures halls, conference halls and theatre halls are curved so that sound after reflections may reach all the corners of the halls in them. That are replaced. Sometimes curved over sounds boards are placed behind the stage so that sound after reflection disturbed evenly across the halls as well as in them. So the phrase blind as a bat is a false statement but have sometimes VN line flexibility as well as in them. Research in science and technology has developed eyes that enables humans also using to see sound waves in them. So hope you like this video. See you in next video with better topics with better videos. So take care.